Alright, let's show you how to do an inverse. So I'm just going to write it down initially. And then what we do, we're going to switch these two guys right here. So I wrote them in a little different color so they stand out. You see what I did? The X and the Y switch locations. The reason we do that is because now as we solve for Y, it will undo what was previously done. So we would have X minus 2 over here equals 10Y. So that was undoing the plus 2. And then we're going to divide both sides by 10. And we get 1/10 X minus 2/10 equals Y. These cancel. This would simplify to 1/5, I guess would be the best way to finish that one, but the basic idea is there. Here we have Y equals 1/3 X plus 6. So again, I'm going to do the old switch between the X and the Y. And in doing so, I'm now going to solve for the Y. So I undo the plus 6 by subtracting 6 to both sides. I'm going to undo the dividing by 3 by multiplying both sides by 3. And I get a final answer here of 3x minus 18 equals y. And what took place over here is these canceled themselves out. That's the process. It's easy.